Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network connection loss attempts to connect problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on ChatGPT, tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear all data, OK, go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one, contact, location, microphone, notification. Then go to Play Store and search here ChatGPT. Update your ChatGPT app to latest version. Wait for completing update process. After completing update process, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then open ChatGPT. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.